Hey, you guys, I just wanted to fill you in on a bunch of different things. So I'm going to go over about 4 different things. First of all, Inktober, then Gratatangles, December kits, subscription box, and Patreon. So 5 things, 5 different things. Okay, so let me go through my list here. Inktober, thank you for joining me for Inktober. We only have a couple of days left, and this month always goes so quickly. I cannot believe how fast it goes, but I hope that you have loved it. I feel like this year has been an amazing collection of different tangles that Stephanie Jennifer has found for us. And I love, where's my little thing here? Here's my compilation so far. It has a few that maybe you haven't seen yet because I record a couple days early. But there we go. Look at how amazing it's looking. If you do not know what Inktober is, follow my Inktober 2025 YouTube series. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Anyway, it's a list of 31 tangles and we do one a day and it's amazing. And you don't have to do them in October. You don't have to do them in order. You don't have to do them in 31 days, but it's a lot of fun. I love it. Okay, that was Inktober. I also did them on a calendar. Look at how cute that is. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to all of you that have followed along for Inktober, that have shared the videos, commented on the videos, reached out to me. It really means so much. So thank you very much. Okay, secondly, Gratatangles. If you have not heard of that, it's just another fun challenge. So Lisa Anderson, a CZT, every year she has a list of tangles for us to try, much like Inktober. She posts one a day on her Facebook group called Gratatangles, and it's GRATITANGLE and then a capital Z, Gratatangles with a Z. And she posts one a day for us to try, and she posts a daily gratitude. It's amazing. I love it. I'm going to record a video every day for the whole month, but they're going to be short. So Inktober were 30-minute videos. These will be about 10 to 15 minutes. And what I'm going to be using is this little calendar, November 2025, and I'm just going to be drawing the tangle each day in a square. This is available on my Facebook page called Let's Tangle. It's also available on my website, www.minsofzen.com. I think I have a section called downloads, and this will be on there for free. And it also has this page, which is just a place for you to write 30 gratitudes. Kind of fun. And if you go to her Facebook page, Angie Gittles, another CZT, has created a beautiful circular grid to draw the patterns in. So you've got lots of options, okay? So Gratatangles begins November 1st, runs through the whole month. So much fun. December. It's amazing to me how quickly December is coming up. So we're at the end of October, but of course I need to get the kit prepared and get it out to you and start advertising for it. And all of a sudden I'm going, oh my gosh, it's November next week. Like I have to get this information out. So in December each year, I do a junk journal. And it's not a true junk journal. It's not just made of junk, but it's more of a little paper journal. It's Zentangle inspired. So we do some tangling, we do some doodling, like little pictures, and we do some journaling. So it's just a combination of all kinds of fun things. And this is our December journal this year. It's so pretty. And then it opens up and there's beautiful paper and beautiful pockets, and you are going to love it. So if you are interested in this kit, it will go on sale on my website at www.minsofzen.com. It'll go on sale on Sunday, November 2nd. I don't remember what time, but Sunday, November 2nd. And what you will get when it's delivered to you the week before December is these papers that you will cut out yourself. So I will have a video showing you how to cut them out, how to glue them together. And then once it's all together, the videos will start being the little journal entries, the doodles, all kinds of fun things. There's going to be some pretty little tags in there. It's just going to be amazing, and some cool pens too. So my website will have the kit on Sunday, November 2nd. All right. Subscription box. This is the moment that I have been planning for a year and a half. And what I'm hoping is to give you just an experience of 12 classes, 12 projects, 12 new tools to play with. So when I first started doing Zentangle about 8 years ago, 8 or 9 or 10 years ago, I was like hungry for new things. I wanted to learn how to use a white pen and a black tile. I wanted to try the gray paper. I wanted to try the triangles. I wanted to tangle around my name or embed a letter. I had so many things I wanted to try, and there's so many amazing teachers out there in so many classes. So if you're already doing that, wonderful. But if you're somebody who would like that sent to your door, the material sent to your door every month for 12 months, then join my subscription. So it's going to be $25, which is $2 less than my regular Inktober and May Florals kits. It'll be $25, and for that you get a new pen or tool. You get a full project, so you get something, some new paper to draw on, or maybe something in Canvas. I don't want to give away all the ideas, but there's a lot of fun things that I have planned for those 12 months. So you'll get the project, you'll get a QR code to an exclusive class only available to subscribers. So right now, everything I do is free on YouTube for everyone all the time, and I will still have as much free content. This will be in addition to that free content. It will also include your May Florals and your Inktober kits within that 12 months. So then you're guaranteed you will not miss out on May Florals, you will not miss out on Inktober, and you'll get it for that $25 price, plus shipping and handling. So then what will happen is during those months, the whole world will have my YouTube videos for free, but then you will have an exclusive item and an exclusive class for that part of your kit. Okay? All right. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to offer a digital option, a digital subscription, and I am working on this, so I hope that it goes well. But there are so many people all over the world that want to do these classes. And to send out a kit, like I send kits to Australia, to Budapest, to Canada, to all over. And the shipping is outrageous. And I know some of you just can't, with, the cost of the kit is $25, and then the cost of shipping is $20 or $30, and it just doesn't make sense. So I'm going to create a digital option, and the digital option will be released at the same time that the regular kit is. So the end of each month, a week before the new month. It will have digital downloads of anything that I can give you on paper. So if we're using any templates or anything like that, you will get the digital download. It will also have a suggested material list. So it won't be the exact materials that I'm using in my box because I buy mine, through a vendor or in bulk, but I will still be able to give you ideas of what we're going to be using and where you can find those materials yourself, wherever you live. So, and then I'm also including a piece of mini art from me every month. And so the digital subscription will have a download, and you can print the mini art if you'd like. The physical subscription will be a limited closed model. That means that when it begins on Wednesday, so this Wednesday, October 29th, this Wednesday when it goes on sale, I will keep it open for as long as I can until I hit the number that I'm thinking, that I don't want to tell you because I don't want to have too high of expectations. But once I reach my maximum number of subscribers, I shut it down because I'm not going to have time to create the materials, create the boxes, order the supplies with just a few weeks notice. So it's going to close, and it may stay closed for a couple of months. So if I have, let's say I have 100 subscribers and I do that for a few months and then I decide, oh, I can go up to 200, then I will open it up again to new members. Does that make sense? The May Florals and the Inktober, I will make way more of. So those will be more available, but the monthly ones will be limited. So if you want to get in, join this week, get on the list, and you'll never miss out. And then it's just going to go indefinitely, and you can cancel, of course, at any time. The digital option, I'm hoping is available all the time, middle of the month, whenever you feel like doing it. You should be able to get on, join the digital subscription, and start getting the digital downloads right away, because those I don't have to keep making more and more of. Okay? Is that everything I wanted to say about that? It's called the Minutes of Zen box, which I am lovingly calling the Moz box. Minutes of Zen Moz box. I think that's so cute. Okay, Wednesday the 29th at 12 o'clock noon Eastern Standard Time. And you can go to www.minsofzen.com, MINSOFZEN. I'll try to link it below. minsofzen.com to join the subscription. There's a wait list on there. All the information will be sent to you through email. January is called Embellishing the New Year. All of these boxes are going to be surprises. So once you join, I'll do little teasers, but otherwise it'll show up at your door and you'll open it up like a gift of relaxation, a gift of calm, a gift of creativity, and you're not going to know what it is each month. But January is called Embellishing the New Year. February is Sweet Sentiments. March, Tea Time Tangling. April, I don't have decided yet because I have about 5 options. I have tons and tons of ideas, but I've got a lot of different ideas for April. So that's to be determined. May will be florals. So you'll get everything for the florals like you usually do in a kit. Then you'll get a bonus video for a special item that's in the kit. And that's all I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, lastly, Patreon. Somebody mentioned to me a month or 2 ago, hey, would you consider a Patreon account? I really love your videos, but I don't love all of the commercials. And I was like, no, I don't know. Does anybody want to do that? Anyway, I started one, and many of you are on my Patreon, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Everything that I put out on YouTube is for free to the world. I do make a little bit of money off it, but it's very, very little compared to how much work that it takes. So anybody who has joined my Patreon, they give me, it's $5 a month. It might be $7.50 in different countries, I'm not sure, but it's $5 a month, and it's just a subscription. And what you get is every time I post a video to YouTube, you get it also on Patreon, commercial free. So it's a way to support me. It's a way to get commercial free videos. It's just wonderful. And then I'm also doing some vlogging, which sounds like a strange word to me, but it's video blogging. So I'll just record myself behind the scenes a little bit and post it on there. It's a little bit more like intimate or, more personal type things, or how I'm creating a box, but those go on Patreon as well. So it's another just fun little thing if you want any of that. $5 a month on Patreon. Okay, I think that is everything that I wanted to say. I post all of this information on my Facebook page called Let's Tangle, LET''S, Tangle, TANGLE. And I also post it through my email list. So if you'd like to join my email, go to www.minsofzen.com and you will get all of the updates. And I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are amazing. I love you all so much. And I am so excited about the subscription box and giving you gifts and classes every month, the whole year. So thank you so much. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.